So, I did a lot of flying and a lot of not talking and a lot of random talking, but this is what we're gonna do. I just put a new battery in the drone. The goggles are almost dead, but I'm gonna fly around the playground one last time for today, and I'm gonna do it outside. Here we go. Cool. What's going on, everybody? I'm going to pause the video right here for a minute just so I can formally introduce myself and the channel. My name is Justin and I fly FPV drones. I recently got into FPV. I fly DJI AVATA 2 and I've been learning as much as I can about FPV and all the cool things about it. So yeah, like, follow, subscribe for more, and enjoy the video. Okay, I flew it into a tree immediately. Don't be like me. See, this is why it's a learning process. Oh gosh. Wait a minute. My ND filter fell off. Okay, here it goes. Okay, yeah, don't be like me, like I said. So I just flew it straight into the tree, and then I lost the ND filter. Okay. All right, and it is cold outside. I'm chilling though. I think one of the biggest keys in this is just staying calm. You probably saw me just flinch. Oh yeah. Oh boy. All right, that is enough for today. I'm done. I had a good amount of fun. I sent the drone a little bit, but not as hard as I did last time. But real quick, before I go, guys, I just want you to know that I appreciate you staying here for the journey. I'm going to be here for the long run. I'm here to stay. I'm based out of Cincinnati, Ohio, so stay on the lookout for me. Turn your notifications on, follow me, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, have a good day.